Cursor has just launched an amazing new update to beat Windsurf. So Windsurf actually had their Cascade, so Cursor had their Composer, but Cascade was actually more efficient than Composer. So Cursor has today just launched, just right now, has launched their new AI agent. So what this does, this is actually a Composer UI in sidebar with inline difference, and this actually they're just like giving this like detail about this. So let's just jump into it directly and let's just test it directly. I have this here right now, and this option right now you can find in here. So right now there are two options. One is normal, the other option is agent. So if we click on agent and then we give it prompt to our Cursor Composer, it will actually like do that agentic kind of like task. It will finish that task, complete that prompt in exactly the way Cascade is actually doing that. So before we try that, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Right now I am at 795. I need to reach 10,000 subscribers before the end of this year. Please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. All right, let's get back. So here, so I have this prompt ready for this Cursor AI agent, and the prompt is I have set up an empty JavaScript, empty Next.js project. I want you to help me to create a project management app in Next.js. All right, so I have created this empty Next.js project. Let me just move to this directory to avoid any sort of like confusion. All right, so we got our prompt here. I'll just click on agent and then I'll just click on submit. So let's see how different it is than the traditional our traditional agent, so like traditional Cursor Composer. So let me just check source directory. Okay, cool, fine. Project structure plan, so it is actually going to create essential project. Okay, cool. Run command, so it will actually run command itself. All right, npm error. Okay, now let's create an initial project structure. Why there was an error? Okay, I think all right, so it has completed the first task. All right, I'll just accept this one, provider.tsx. I think it was in source directory. All right, page.tsx. Okay, cool. I got these two errors. I think it's still actually updating this code. Fine. All right, I'll just accept this. So it's a bit different than the way like traditionally Cursor Composer works. So it is different. I mean, it has now multiple steps. Like it is actually doing multi steps to finish the task. So now let's create the project card component. Okay, so it is actually because I asked it to create a project management tool. So all right, so it's actually doing the multiple steps itself without any input from my side. I'm just like clicking on accept, and all right, so there are actually some errors that we are getting, I think due to because we haven't installed our like packages yet, so dependencies are not installed, so maybe that's the reason. Let me just click on accept. Okay, so I have set up the initial structure of our project with the app. Okay, fine. All right, cool. Let me just navigate to find errors. So all of these errors are actually this new code. So global.css, we can ignore that. Layout and then page and project card corresponding declaration. Okay, fine. Let's just try to install npm install. Okay, let's just try to run it ourselves. Hold on, let me just copy. Let me just copy paste each and every error. I'm having these errors. Hold on. Let me just before that. Let me just do npm install. All right, I'm having these errors. Okay. All right, let's just copy this error here. Let's just copy this one, and let's just copy this one, and let's just copy, I think, layout.css as well. I think I did actually. So let's just tag code base. Where is our code base? CODE. Where is our code base? I can't tag code base anymore. Okay, that's strange. Maybe because agent is selected already, so I think agent knows already about our code base. But yeah, that's different. That's strange. Okay, cool. Let's just try to submit. So let's just see how it fixes these errors. Right now it's trying generating. I see that I have several dependencies. Okay, run this dependency. All right. All right, it will just do that. We are having error. The complete log of this error can be found in your user directory. Okay, I see also I have a pre-appear dependencies issues. Okay, so I think there might be a version issue. So yeah, I think there was a version issue. Cool, perfect. All right, so we didn't know. I didn't know that there's a version issue. It's figured out itself. All right, we still got like 5 errors, but these are global.css errors. Our project can still run. So readme file tailwind css. Okay, let's update tailwind css. Okay, cool, perfect. It's trying itself. So this is actually, you can say, cursor composer but on steroids. So this is cursor composer on steroids, literally. I mean, and I like it. It is actually better than what Cascade had. So if you want, we can actually just test Cascade quickly. If you don't know, if you haven't watched my Cascade, Windsurf video, so you can watch my Windsurf video from my YouTube channel. And please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I really want to cross 10,000 subscribers before the end of this year. All right. Okay. It's just updating this. Cool. But I mean, now I think we can try to run our project and see what it has created. This is the one that is actually creating. So let's just try to run npm run dev, and let's just see if our project runs. All right. Okay, because it's actually still creating this tailwind css, sorry, tailwind.config.ts file. So meanwhile, oh, okay, it has just created that. Cool, perfect. I'll just accept that, and now let's install. Okay, perfect. Before I think we can still run it. Okay, perfect. Okay, here it is. So it has created a basic kind of structure for that. Fine, perfect. So it has just created a basic structure for our app. So I mean, we can carry on from here. Main thing is, it has like, so this is just like an improved version and an enhanced version of Cursor Composer. So it finds issue like errors itself, then it tries to resolve those errors itself. Well, this is a bit kind of, we can say, if you are actually a developer, if you like want to have skill over like want to learn development properly, so I mean, AI taking care of errors is a bit not developer friendly if you want to like be a developer. But if you're not concerned about that, if you just want to like create something, build something and ship it, and you don't want to like go deep in programming, so that's fine. But because you should understand errors, and then you should like try to fix those errors yourself. At least you should understand errors and then ask AI to fix those errors. But yeah, I mean, it was nice. So I mean, it has just created a basic structure. So there is an error, we can just like give it this error again to fix. So simply the process is same. You just copy this error, I just paste it, but it is still actually pop out terminal. Okay, cool, perfect. Let me just do that. So yeah, the process is same to fix the error. So my thoughts about this new Cursor AI agent, Cursor AI Composer agent. So this is better than Cascade, better than Windsurf. So I think Cursor actually felt a real threat when Windsurf launched their Cascade agent. So because Windsurf was also actually a fork of VS Code, just a VS Code extension. So Cursor is also VS Code extension. So Cursor kind of felt insecure after Windsurf actually launched their enhanced version. But if you remember my Windsurf review, so I was like, this is just too much. I don't need that. I don't need that much kind of independence. I need to be like dependent on my, I need to like go through that. I need to go through each and every step. If I'm building something complex, I need to review code. But with this kind of like very, we can say, helpful AI agents, it is not difficult and complex to understand your code. You don't need to understand your code, but it is good for some building something simple. But if you're building something complex, it can actually then, you won't, you will have a product ready, launched, live on server, but you won't know what you just built. So that is a bit kind of problematic, but it's scary. But there is like convenience, so it's very convenient to have this AI pair programmer. It's amazing, it's great. So now we got Cursor as AI composer. We can still use the traditional Cursor, but we can use this new updated composer agent. My opinion is amazing. That's great. This is just like handy to have that. But as compared to Windsurf, I think we should still stick to Cursor. We should believe in Cursor, because we know that Windsurf introduced like that feature just a couple of days ago, and Cursor's just like launched bang bang bang. It's just happening so fast. It's a Saturday, it's a Sunday evening right now, and it's 11 p.m. I was just chilling on my couch, but as soon as I saw my this update, that we received an update from Cursor, and that to a huge update on a Sunday, so I was like, okay, I need to just get up and make this video. So please don't forget to subscribe, and I see you in next video. Bye bye.